This is the assembly video for the American-style B12 base cabinet. The cabinet body hardware are in the U-box, and the frame, door, and drawer face are in the other. The U-box contains the drawer glides, two side panels, the back panel, the bottom panel, drawer panel, shelf, the drawer box, and the kickboard. Now, remove the cabinet frame. Install the cam lock screws to the cabinet frame. Place the side panels to the frame with the notch facing down. Place dowels in the bottom panel and install that piece as such. Install the back panel and screw through the side panel into the back panel. On both side panels and through the back panel into the bottom panel. Now, tighten your cam locks on each side panel. Install the shelf pins to the pre-drilled holes at the desired height of your shelf. Place the plastic shelf pin locks in the shelf and then simply place your shelf. Now to install the drawer glides. Screw through the third hole in the glide at the front and back through the pre-drilled holes on the frame. Now build the drawer itself. Place the front drawer box panel and center the panel on the drawer face. Do not follow the markings on the back as they are simply a reference. Pre-drill with a countersink bit and screw the drawer box to the drawer face. Using a mallet, join the other dovetail drawer box pieces. Screw this tab down. Place the drawer on the glide and slide the glide's hooks into the box. Then screw through the glide into the drawer box on each side. We can adjust the drawer with the height tab if necessary. Now, place the door hinges with a cardboard as a spacer and screw through the hinges into the cabinet frame. Make sure your door is flush with the cabinet frame at the bottom, and remember you can adjust your door if necessary on the hinge. Install the kickboard to the notched section. And we're done. One American-style B12 base cabinet ready for installation.